What's going on, everybody? Now, anytime you get a plain manila envelope in the mail, you tend to ignore it, but seeing that we get this kind of stuff all the time, you never know what it could be. It's the beginning of a mystery. So let's take a look. Exactly what it is. All right. Now, let me get that out of the way. All right, now we have a manila folder with Private Detective and a blue box with the letter M. M for mystery, maybe. All right. And it's from Sally Corporation. If you don't know Sally, they are the company behind such brilliant dark rides as the Lego Adventure Ride, a whole bunch of other different dark rides. They're one of my favorite companies, honestly. Such good people and such fun rides and attractions. They always make a big announcement at IAPA, and this looks like it might be it. So Sally Core Detective, that's me. Case 123. All right. And let's see. We'll open that in a minute. We got yellow feathers. And case number 123, it's a clue. There's a feathered and furry mystery at hand. Find out more at the Sally Corporation Press Expo during the 2018 IAPA Expo. You don't want to miss out on the biggest event of the year. All right, and let's see what the gift is. It's a magnifying glass. So, let's take a look here. All right, it's a magnifying glass. Nothing on the paper. Nothing on the feathers. All right, let's do a little deductive reasoning, shall we? All right, yellow feathers, case 123, and the letter M for mystery. Feathered and furry. Now, I may be wrong on this because I haven't heard anything about any of the attractions. Well, I mean, we have a list of attractions at Sesame Street in SeaWorld Orlando, but they've been pretty forthcoming about all their big announcements and everything. Now, Sally making a big announcement, that's a huge deal. Yellow feathers and biggest event of the year. It kind of tells me, and this is just based on the few little clues here, it kind of tells me that we are going to see a giant Big Bird animatronic. Again, I'm not sure about this. This is just pure speculation. But it tells me that we are going to see a giant Big Bird animatronic. For no other reason than we have case 123, like 123 Sesame Street. That's the address. The feathered and the furry, and of course, the big yellow feathers, which Big Bird makes sense. Now, if that's the case, are we going to see a Big Bird Dark Ride? Or is this going to be a meet and greet with Big Bird or part of a show? I don't know. We're going to find out Tuesday. So there's your daily clue and speculation. And there's the mystery. We're going to leave this. Well, I tell you what we're going to do. We're going to take this over here we're going to file it in the freezer. Because for now, that's a cold case.